Welcome! What's poppin'? Look, I don't even know what I look like. I look kind of crazy. I just came back from the gym. So, here's the thing. Um, my goal for 2021 is to be more consistent in things that I enjoy. I enjoy YouTube. I enjoy creating. I enjoy fashion, style, plants, shoes, sneakers. I enjoy talking. I enjoy all that jazz, but I'm not consistent. And I think it's because of my anxiety and not, oh, I have anxiety. No, like my anxiety is relatively crippling. And sometimes I just overthink things to the point where I end up not doing anything. I end up becoming stagnant. No more. We're not going to do that anymore because one, honestly, it's very ghetto. Like I'm tired of being my own roadblock. It's very frustrating, very annoying because when I sit back and look at it, like retrospectively, I'm just like, girl, you could have just did it. What was stopping you? Me. So I am going to try to be consistent before 2021. So the goal is we have like what today, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 5 days to be consistent at something. They say it takes like what 2 weeks for you to get something, like install a habit, but it's not necessarily that I wanted to be a habit to post and create. I just want to be a habit to not stop myself and stop being lazy because I'm on like vacation ish, and it's been 1 month already. Haven't done anything. So 1 week of the second month has already started and I still haven't done anything. So we're going to get this shit together. What is the plan for today? Today, we're going to change up my hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys what I got going on right now. I'm going to show you what it was. And I've really been wanting this sleek, like ponytail. I can't decide if I want a braid, or if I just want a pony, or what kind of hair texture. I don't know. So what we're going to do, we're going to the beauty supply store. Let's see what we can get in the beauty supply store. And we're going to create. And I'm just going to record, edit same day and post, or edit day before and post. And because today is day 1 of 5, we're going to try to get everything done today. Will I do it? I hope so. I really would like to. I just want to do something and not feel like I'm just wasting away. Yeah, let's not get sentimental or mushy gushy. All right, let's go. Oh, you like my jacket? Yeah. I'm giving you, it looks like a robe. I'm giving you rich mama vibes. You know. The loan checks ain't coming in yet, so. Okay, let's go. I am stressed. I don't know what I'm looking for. There's just so many options. Welcome to my parents' basement. Giving you very granny vibes, the aesthetic, the relatively weird dim lighting. I was kicked out of my bedroom because I don't technically live here anymore. Let me tell you what I picked in the hair salon. So I was at the cash register, right? I asked the lady what hair is best in comparison to braiding hairs because I was planning on doing a braiding ponytail. She's like, oh, this one. And I was about to pay. I was about to put my little chip in and whatever. She's like, wait, are you going to do a ponytail? I was like, yeah. She's like, well, I have a ponytail for you. I said, okay. So I went to the back and she gave me this. It's a little Synthetica. It's not Connect Line. It is Organic Pony Pro Easy Wraparound Ponytail in 32 inches, color 1B. It is a natural yaki. And it's curling iron safe up to 400. And the ladies, like the, oh, sorry, excuse that nails. It says, create sexy, voluminous, and camera-ready styles that will leave you turning heads. Effortlessly bouncy, beautiful hair at an affordable price. Feel the density and the natural thickness of premium quality hair. Simple secret to get maximum volume and thickness. 2 C's. Beauty in the purest form. Create your own beautiful hair story. It has a comb, wraparound detail, this is to brush out the tangles from the bottom up. You can actually wash the hair, or you can wash any synthetic hair. Let me describe what I had in mind, and we'll see if it comes out the same way. So what I was thinking, like low ponytail, I was thinking braided ponytail actually, and I mean, we shall see. I'm only gonna have this in for a few days. So I got a silk press. It would be a week ago. And my hair's still silky, it's still silky. It feels amazing. It's so soft. It's natural sheen, all that. I put some clip-ins in. As you can see, my hair there. And these clip-ins are from Tinashe. They were like a bundle of their Kinky Straight, and Tinashe hair, Kinky Straight trash, just in case you were ever wondering. It's not like the other Kinky Straights I purchased, so I wouldn't recommend it. I've been working out. I work out like 4 times a week, 4 to 5 times, and I sweat. I lift really heavy, so unfortunately my silk press only lasted, like, it was only silky for like 3 days. I have been doing like ponytail styles, which are really cute. I've been doing just regular leaving my hair out, and it's cool, but like it has gotten to the point where the back of my head is like is curled. The back of my head is really, it's not napped, but it just feels like a mini fro and then silky hair coming out. Let me show you how it looks like. Let me see if you can see everything basically reverted back. But it still moves. It's still fine. Like, my scalp is a little itchy, but you know, we move. Not a fan of the deep part, like a deep side part, just because I want to wash my face, and the concept of not washing every part of my face is weird. Oh wow, did I actually get that on the first try? I think so. Alright, let me perfect this. So, what I've seen the girls do, the girls as in other people that I've searched and, you know, stalked a little bit to see this is what I want to do. What I've seen those girls do is take their sections and put it in my classes because it works. Same for this side. Yum. No, Tracy, you go crazy, but it works, doesn't it? It does. Take a brushel bush. Hey, editing Tracy here. So I'm watching the video back and I'm realizing, the back of my ponytail looked ridiculous. Like, the back of your head looked ridiculous, girl. And I didn't know that. I couldn't see it. But I had to figure it out a couple of times. So you're gonna see me fail. But I mean, we knew that. Just figure out how to make the ponytail as flat as possible. This is what worked for me. I didn't use any styling tools or anything else because I didn't have them. But don't be upset with me, okay? Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. All right, so let's try this ponytail thing out. It's giving me very silky butter. Oh, baby! Baby! I mean, I knew 28 inches, but girl! Huh? Wow. Yup. And we can curl it. I mean, I don't think I'm going to because this week. But I could. How to apply? Okay. So secure your hair in a bun or small ponytail. It's not a small ponytail, it's thick, but you know. Place the comb on the base of your bun or your ponytail. Begin wrapping the body of the pony around your bun or ponytail. Wrap the remaining hair piece around the base of your ponytail and secure it with bobby pins. First, let's brush this hair out. Wow. Probably shouldn't have taken this long one. Oh, and I got it for like $13.99, which is the same amount of some really long or thick pack of chemical in here. But it's long and it's like feathered at the ends. So it's soft. It sheds. It sheds a lot. But it's cool. So it has a comb like this. And it says to stick it in. Okay. So it says to stick it in the base of the ponytail like so. Okay. Oh. Girlfriend. This is the base. Yeah. That's the base of it. So it likes. Okay. And then this is gonna be trouble. Why did I pick such a long? Okay. And then it says to wrap it around like so. This looks good. Looks like a lot of hair, but this looks good. Okay. Wrapping. Oh, what you're gonna give me issues. Okay. So seems like it's giving me issues here. Insecure about it. Okay, so let's try this again. All the hair like so. Put it in the base. Check. Wrap the hair around. Like so. Okay. I'm wrapping it quite tight as well. And I think this is the end. This is the end. Wrap it. I ain't got no poppy pins. Give me a second. I ain't got no poppy pins, not even a straight one. Alright, okay. And I'm back. It's just tuck in the hair. Ow. Like so. This is a... What was I thinking? Why would I get something... Why would I get something so long? Like, yeah, I said I want a long ponytail, but girl, what was that? Why? Why did I do this? It is so long, it passes my butt, and I don't really got one, so that's the last length. Oh, and it's also falling out. Yo! Oh, this is gonna be so hard. It didn't work. It doesn't look like people, like the picture. Just got excited and... Okay. I'm gonna try this off camera and then come back to you guys. And we will see what happens. Ah! Synthetica! Why are we tangling? What is going... No! No! Don't tell me this is this bad of an idea. Like, it was supposed to at least work. This is what happens when you go against better judgment. You just... I went in there for one thing, and I'll be back. So, I'm back. And I don't even know what the bottom looks like. There you go. I think it looks okay. I mean, from what I can see, it looks fine. This is obnoxiously long, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna braid it. Like this. Anyway, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Actually, that could be a thing. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Give me that Rapunzel. No. Okay, Rapunzel. Okay, let's try again. Wicked fresh. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Give me that Brazilian, Mongolian hair. I want the one that looks like kinky straight. Give me that yaki and bleaches shit. I don't know. I'm done. Alright, let me do these part my tendrils. I'm gonna use a little ceramic iron that has been heating up. It's relatively hot. I'm just gonna pass it one time. Okay. So, thoughts. It's okay. It's right. This ponytail thing is a little uncomfortable, but it's okay. It's alright. It's giving me what I wanted it to be giving me. This ponytail part, I'm not sure if it's a curl or not. I don't even know what it looks like. It probably looks fake as hell, but we shall see. The sheen matches mine. I think it looks fine. I think we did a good job. It was a team effort. Yeah, I'm pretty sure once I like wear makeup and all that stuff, and not even that, just once I don't nothing. I think I look fine. It's not once I put makeup. I don't usually wear makeup anyway, so let's get a reaction from my mom and my dad. All right, like it?
Whoa! It's nice.
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Thank you. Does it look okay?
Yes, but you're not going to work that.
No, I'm not working. Yes.
It's nice.
And put the light on.
Jesus Christ. This is you?
Yeah, it's so long.
It's human hair, right?
No, synthetic. Daddy, anything to say?
Wow. Look at that. Hey.
Okay, guys, so the hair is mom approved. I love it. It feels like relatively heavy, but I think that's because of the pins I put and the placement of the pins, so I'm gonna have to work on that. I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing this like every day constantly or if I'm gonna take it off at night, depending on how comfortable it is. I figured out how to apply it now, so it's a lot easier. The braid is very long. I am 5'10". Let me set you guys up. Yeah, this is the hair. I fixed my ponytail, so it looks a little better. It's definitely very light, very airy, very long. It feels a little too silky, so I feel like I'm only going to be able to wear this hair when my hair is relatively pressed. Like, I can't wear it when my hair is blown out. I don't think that'll be good. But yeah. So day one of this challenge, I'm really gonna sit down right now and edit so I can post this today. Hopefully I can get the next 4 days down. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming back. Yeah, whatever. Just thank you. That's it. I'm just being grateful that there's someone watching. Hopefully there's more than one views than mine. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what next other hairstyle you'd like to see me do. I usually change my hair in the middle of the night when I'm bored, so I may actually do it, you know? Yeah, so that's all. And if you want to see this hair, it will more likely be on Instagram because, yeah, I post pictures there and I'm on my stories. The stories are much more active than my actual feed, but, you know, once again, working on consistency. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh my God. I hope I'm able to post tomorrow because that would be really crazy. Okay, see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Look at me. I have hair.
This is crazy. It looks like a bob, but it's not. We're down here. She didn't even cut that much off. Wow, look at this short. I've been bobbing around the house swinging my damn hair, and I've already started sweating. So let me show the back of the hair before I lose all of this. All right. There we go. It looks lovely. There we go. Okay. Back to I like it, but look the fucking child. I need some